Hello everybody, this is Gutterick from Gut Slaughterhouse, and today we are going to be disassembling the BRN10. Alright, look at that, beautiful rifle. I love this thing. Alright, let's get down to business, because I see every time somebody makes a video about this rifle, it's like an 11-minute video. It pisses me off, so I'm gonna do it quickly for you. Alright. So you see these right here? You see these little things right here? All right. You're gonna get one of your bullets out of your mag. God, these mags are stiff. We're gonna do this. All right. Like so. And the speed of it. Alright, there we go. Should come apart like that. Now, see that charging handle? We're going to pull that out, and it launched across the table. Here's our charging handle. Here's our bolt. Alright. Look at that. Easy as hell. You didn't have to make an 11-minute video on this fucking thing. Damn. Alright. So now we're going to put it back together. We're going to put the bolt onto this. Oh my god. It's crazy, right? Didn't need an 11-minute video to explain it to me. They're their own animals. Shut up. Oh. Oh, technical difficulty. Alright. Damn, this is embarrassing. Alright. We're going to wedge it. Watch. We're gonna wedge it like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's all gone poorly, isn't it? It's all gone wrong. Oh. Haha, bitch. Like that. And it should just catch it pretty easy. Like so. Boom. Alright. Now, like that. You click these back in. It's fucking easy, right? Damn. You don't have to make an 11-minute video. Alright? It could just be 3 minutes. God. Thank you for tuning in. This is Gutterick from Gut Slaughterhouse signing out.